Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we'll be exploring a groundbreaking topic that's shaping the future of our planet: renewable energy. From solar power to wind turbines, geothermal energy to hydropower, renewable energy sources are revolutionizing how we produce electricity and power our daily lives. Join us as we explore how these green technologies are being developed, their impact on the environment, and how they're reshaping the global energy market. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how renewable energy is setting the stage for a cleaner, sustainable future. Let's dive in. Renewable energy refers to energy derived from natural resources that are replenished constantly, like sunlight, wind, rain, and geothermal heat. In this section, we'll explore the various types of renewable energy sources, how they work, and why they are critical for reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and curbing global carbon emissions. Renewable energy isn't a new concept. Humans have been harnessing wind and water power for thousands of years. This section will take viewers on a historical journey, from the first windmills and water wheels used in ancient civilizations to the development of modern solar panels and wind turbines. We'll explore how renewable energy technology has evolved and gained momentum in the 20th and 21st centuries. Solar energy is one of the most well-known renewable energy sources, and its potential is limitless. In this section, we'll explain how solar panels work, the science behind photovoltaic cells, and how solar energy is being integrated into homes and businesses worldwide. We'll also discuss the challenges of solar energy, including storage solutions and efficiency improvements. Wind turbines are a common sight in many parts of the world, generating clean electricity by capturing wind's kinetic energy. This section will explore how wind energy is produced, the technology behind modern wind turbines, and the growth of offshore and onshore wind farms. We'll also discuss the benefits and challenges of wind energy, including its variability and environmental impacts. Hydropower is the most widely used form of renewable energy, accounting for a significant portion of global electricity generation. This section will dive into how hydropower plants work, from massive dams like the Hoover Dam to small-scale hydroelectric systems. We'll also look at the environmental considerations of hydropower, including its impact on aquatic ecosystems and river flows. Geothermal energy harnesses heat from beneath the Earth's surface to produce electricity and heat buildings. This section will explain how geothermal energy works, the different types of geothermal power plants, and the regions of the world where geothermal energy is most effective. We'll also explore the potential for geothermal energy to provide reliable, base-load power in the future. Biomass energy comes from organic materials like wood, agricultural residues, and even animal waste. This section will explore how biomass is used to produce electricity and heat, the process of converting biomass into biofuels, and the potential of algae as a future source of bioenergy. We'll also discuss the environmental benefits and challenges of biomass energy. One of the main drivers behind the push for renewable energy is its ability to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. In this section, we'll discuss how transitioning to renewable energy sources can significantly lower global carbon emissions, mitigate the impacts of climate change, and help countries meet their climate goals under international agreements like the Paris Accord. One of the biggest challenges with renewable energy is intermittency solar and wind. power depend on weather conditions. This section will explore innovations in energy storage technologies, including advanced batteries, pumped hydro storage, and hydrogen fuel cells, that are helping to store excess energy and ensure a consistent power supply when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Electric vehicles are closely linked with renewable energy, as the power for EVs increasingly comes from renewable sources. This section will discuss the rise of electric vehicles, the role of solar and wind energy in powering EV charging stations, and the potential for vehicle-to-grid V2G technology that allows electric cars to act as mobile energy storage units. We'll also explore the role EVs will play in decarbonizing transportation. Renewable energy offers a unique opportunity to bring electricity to remote and underserved communities in developing countries. In this section, we'll explore how solar microgrids, wind turbines, and other renewable energy technologies are being used to power homes, schools, and hospitals in off-grid regions. We'll also discuss the economic and social benefits of expanding renewable energy access in developing countries. Renewable energy is no longer just a dream for the future, it's also becoming an economically viable alternative to fossil fuels. This section will explore the declining costs of renewable energy technologies, the job opportunities created by the renewable energy sector, and how investment in renewables is driving economic growth around the world. We'll also discuss the potential for renewable energy to create new industries and reshape global markets. Governments play a key role in the transition to renewable energy by providing incentives and setting regulations. This section will explore the policies and programs that are promoting the adoption of renewable energy, including tax credits, subsidies, renewable portfolio standards (RPS), and carbon pricing mechanisms. We'll also discuss how international cooperation is essential for accelerating the global shift to renewables. Advances in technology are driving the growth of renewable energy by making it more efficient and cost-effective. In this section, we'll explore cutting-edge developments in solar panel efficiency, wind turbine design, and energy management systems. We'll also discuss how artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things (IoT) are being used to optimize renewable energy production and consumption. While the future of renewable energy is bright, there are still significant challenges to overcome. In this section, we'll explore the obstacles that must be addressed, including the intermittency of renewable energy sources, the need for infrastructure upgrades, and the political and economic barriers to widespread adoption. We'll also discuss the potential role of nuclear energy as a complement to renewable power. What does the future hold for renewable energy? This section will explore emerging trends and technologies that could shape the future of energy production, from advanced solar cells to new forms of energy storage. We'll also discuss the potential for renewable energy to achieve a 100% clean energy grid, the role of international cooperation, and what the energy landscape could look like in the next 20 to 30 years. As we wrap up this detailed exploration of renewable energy, it's clear that this technology is key to building a more sustainable and resilient future. Whether through solar, wind, geothermal, or hydropower, renewable energy is providing clean, reliable, and affordable electricity that's transforming industries and protecting our planet. The journey toward a renewable energy future will be challenging, but with the right investments and policies, the possibilities are endless. The future is green, and it starts today. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth look into the future of renewable energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more informative videos on tech and innovation. Let us know in the comments which renewable energy source you think holds the most potential, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, we can power a cleaner and brighter future.